In last couple of days, we talked about for both US30 and US100, that is Dow Jones and Nasdaq, that there was a gap down which they may try to fill, and precisely both the indices achieved and filled the gap. In fact, US30 has achieved a tad above, went close to 33k levels, and then saw a stronger drop. Likewise, Nasdaq 100 achieving 11,580, precisely the levels which has formed double top also, which has filled the gap also, and now it is trading again with a drop. Now, what to expect today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. The next update on these two will be up before the US cash session. Today is an important day for these two, specifically when the Fed is going to release the interest rate hike. At the same time, the press conference to after the statement is going to be important as well. So let's start. First, we'll look into Nasdaq 100, followed with Dow Jones. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon, and do not forget to watch till the end. Now, don't tell me that I did not tell you a drop and it may form double top and then a drop can happen. And yes, if it breaks beyond 11,600, then also 11,650 is the resistance. In fact, from there it can drop. Else, beyond that, beyond 11,650, it can rise strongly. Precisely achieving the double top at 11,580, it has dropped significantly. The gap is anyways filled here, and now see it has dropped for consecutive candles, now consolidating here. Now look at the RD chart. Couple of observations: 11,300 and 250. This is going to be a very important resistance zone for US 100. Once it breaks below 11,250 and then specifically below 11,200, it will call for it to drop till towards 11,100 and 11,000 levels, which is the next support level. On the upside, trading above 11,350, you can expect that we are looking at 11,380 and 400. 400 is going to be a maximum resistance. Remember, it has lot much of this price movement to capture, which it may try to achieve. 11,400, 500, and then 600 is the next targets if it continues to trade in this fashion. So buy at 11,380 itself. Expect it to rise more. You can expect that we may see little more resistance. So in fact, you can buy at 11,350, expect 380, then 400, and then beyond that, directly it will land to 500 and plus levels. On the downside, on the contrary, trading below 11,280, you can sell there, expect 11,250, 200, and below that we may see on the downside also it has lot much of price movement to capture, which might take it till towards 11,100 levels, which is a very good support. Directional movement bearish here, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is on sell side, willing to converge crossover for a bullish move. Let's see if it does. RSI looking downwards after a little retracement. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, see a rise, retracement, rise, double top, retracement. Now it is retracing again on the upside. See how far it can retrace. You can expect 11,500. If it continues to rise, that is going to be the maximum, and then the downtrend may start. See these two connected well together, and if you draw a parallel from here, you will observe that on the downside 11,200 and 11,100 are going to be the maximum support zones. Below that anyways, we are looking at a good drop. Directional movement bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic oversold, looking upwards now, indicating bullishness. The MACD is on sell, trying to converge here. RSI comfortable. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, you'll find after achieving the bottom, it is trying to rise. This is the first green candle. You can see after creating a base here at 11,280, it is trying to rise. This is the first green candle. Trading above 11,350, you can again expect 380, 400. 400 is the maximum resistance. Beyond that, 450, 500. And if it trades above 500, consider this as bullish case, and it is going to fly high on the upside. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is oversold on the 3-hour charts. MACD divergent and bearish. Possibly it may try to trade bearish itself before it tries to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts, on the contrary, it is showing you a reversal candle. I'll wait for it to break past 11,380 for it to sustain the bullish momentum. But yes, those who wants to trade, you can buy there at 11,350, expect 380, 400 as the maximum resistance. Beyond that, we are looking forward to a flyer till towards 450, 500. On the downside, as we saw, below 11,280, you can sell for 250, 200, and then 11,100 levels. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. Now most important ones on the daily charts, you'll find, see first formation, if you count the trail from here, you'll find US 100 is trading in this channel. Very clear. This is the first observation. Next observation, this is the nearest channel in which it is trying to trade. Yes, this is one. So once it trades below 11,250, you can expect a very strong fall which might take it till towards 11,200, 11,100 and trading below this 11,000. So once it breaks below 11,000, it is going to bring a stronger fall for 11,000, 10,900 the maximum support, and below that it will continue with the downward trend. So how it has behaved so far, you can find out the near term trades, higher lows, lower highs. So still consolidating. Wait for it to give you a breakout. So sell clearly below 11,250. It is going to give you a stronger break on the downside. So this is also very clear. Right now it is trying to retrace a little, and a break from here it is going to be sharp and strong. Now look at the daily charts from a little long perspective. You will find that it is trading outside of this channel, consolidating here, and a break above 11,500. Certainly one can expect that NASDAQ 100 is going to fly again. Directional movement is bearish on the daily charts, stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is bullish trying to converge, and RSI comfortable. Considering this, sell at 280, buy at 380, expect on the, rather I will say buy at 350 itself, so sell at 280, buy at 350, expect 380 as the first target, 400 as the next, and beyond that you can expect 450 and 500 as the next resistance levels and the next targets. So trade your, trail your stop loss. That is the first part. Second part, whenever you see your trade is in green, shift your stop loss to at least your entry price so that your trade does not close in profits. Remember, interest rate hike and Fed's statement or press conference will bring the volatility, and hence you have to trade with a strict stop loss and stop loss at cost. And on the upside, you may find that 11,550 and 580 are going to provide maximum resistance. Any trade above 11,600, certainly one can remain long for 650. Beyond 650 is directly it is going to hit 12,000 levels in the near future. If not today, possibly tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we may see it hitting these levels if it trades only and only if it trades above 11,650. On the downside, below 11,100, you can expect 11,000, 10,900 levels also. So do not trade between 280 and 350 levels today. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch starts on 7th of November. Only couple of seats are left. Do not miss this opportunity, else you will regret it for next 1 month. You have to wait, or you will delay the profit for 1 month. This is a lifetime opportunity. Invest in your learning first, else you can be part of my signals channel, but I don't recommend you to just depend on someone for signals. You should generate your own signals, and hence first join mentorship batch. Else, if you still are adamant, you can join my signals channel where trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. See the performance of our signals channels I have posted in the communities tab. I'll post the updated one also. So yes, join the signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at US. See US30 how it has behaved. Double top, gap is filled. This we expected, this we predicted that it may try to achieve this. Now see, after the drop it is trying to retrace here, and see once it breaks beyond 32,600 again, just stay short for the day. First target 32,400, next target 32,200 levels. So sell below 32,600. That is very clear. Below 32,600, you can expect 500, 400, and then below that 200. Below that we may see very strong drop which might take it till towards 32,000 and below levels, the next destination. Look at the directional movement is bearish trying to converge, stochastic looking upwards, entering into overbought levels. The MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover. I'll wait for it to do so. RSI is looking downwards. It is retraced a bit. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too. Now if you see the formation, it is still trading in this bullish channel. You can see it has achieved the highs, achieved the lows, now trying to retrace again. Possibly once it trades beyond 32,850, you can expect that we are looking at another round of good rise. But see this. In fact, you can buy at 750, but remember, I will not consider this as bullish. If it breaks past 32,800, 32,920 and 33,000 till 33,000, I will not consider this as bullish. So buy at 32,750 and sell at 32,600. That should be a good trading window where you should not trade, and above and below certainly you can expect little more bearishness on bullishness. Directional movement bearish, stochastic rising from the bottom, MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, see first rise, retracement, rise, double top, retracement. Now again trying to retrace a bit. dropping again on the downside or reversing from here, certainly it will call for more bearishness, and hence you can expect that once it draws below 32,600, certainly more bearishness to follow. You can expect 500, 400, and then below that a stronger drop will bring it till towards 32,200 levels. On the upside, once it trades beyond 32,750, you can expect 32,800, 850, 900, 950, 33,000. Every 50 points you can count that as a stronger resistance zone. Hence you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. See, if you start booking 50 points with every trade, if you are a good trader, if you are a safe trader, you can book 50 points. 50 points is not a small deal for Dow Jones. It counts. If you check in percentage, it means a lot, and hence you have to capture the moves. Even if you are profiting a little, that's a profit. Re-enter again. Nobody denies your re-entry. So take your trades accordingly. Directional movement, or at least shift your stop loss to one milestone, so that in case of a reversal, your one trade closes in profits or the first milestone. And if you see it bullish again, you can re-enter the same trade or at first milestone or the nearest milestone. Directional movement and stochastic trading at bottom, trying to rise. MACD is bearish here. RSI looking upwards on the 3-hour charts, 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts. It indicates one red candle, 3 retracement candle, and then I think couple of red candles like this to follow here, and hence you have to remain cautious. Sell at 32,600 levels. Possibly we may see a destination at around 32,000 and below levels. Directional movement is bullish, divergent, stochastic rising from the bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI trading flat. But if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, now see this double top, steps are created, lower lows are seen. If you expand this or if you continue to do, look at this, see higher highs, lower lows. The support there at 32,400 levels should be strong. Below that, directly it will end to 32,200, 32,000 levels, and in fact it can achieve well below these levels. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI is near to overbought levels. Considering this, sell at 600, or that is sell Dow Jones at 32,600, buy at 32,750. Till 33,000 levels, I will not consider this as bullish. Only above 33,000 levels, consider that as a reversal. Then you can expect 33,200 as the next destination. As if you have watched my weekly analysis, I told two things very clearly: 32,200, 32,500, 33,200, 33,500 also it can. But then a drop is must. But it has seen the drop now. Possibly till 33,500, I will not consider it as a long-term positional hold for a buy. Hence, it can reverse again on the downside. You have to remain cautious. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the selling stop loss. Sell at 32,600, buy at 32,750 levels. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you. See you in the US cash session analysis. Thank you.